Hey guys, Joseph Dream here and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded a video. I've been so busy with so many things. Anyway, today I'm going to show you an update I did on the robot. Actually, I didn't redesign the robot. I didn't do anything new on the robot itself, but I designed a board. This is the board. I designed this PCB board to control the robot. Actually, this is a very simple version of the PCB board I designed for controlling the robot. So in this video, I'm going to show you, a few details and how I designed it from the scratch, what I used, and how it's going to work with the robot, and what can I do, with the robot, or how can I control the robot using this microcontroller. The truth is, I designed two PCB boards. I think I have another one here. Let me just grab it. So this is as you can see, this is the board I designed. I designed it like in a very quick way. As you can see, it's missing a lot of things. This one uses an Arduino Nano, as I'm just going to show you in a while. And this one is a more full version of the PCB board. It uses a Ramsey, something like that. I'm going to check it out in a while. And it uses also an ESP. And it has four slots, or four places for connecting the drivers. Yes, so one of these drivers, you just put it inside here. You connect, four of it. Actually, I designed this PCB, this one specifically, to be used for any robotic project. Providing it uses stepper motor. You can use it to control any like a robot arm. You can use it to control any robotic project you have, as long as you're using, or as the actuator, you are using a stepper motor, right? So this one, I'm still working on it. I didn't solder any component yet, as you can see. And this one, I started doing some tests with it. I started doing some tests with it. I have this. This is an A4988 stepper motor driver. I'm just testing because I don't want to test with this one in case something goes wrong. Yeah, because these ones are quite expensive. These ones are expensive more than these ones. Yeah, more expensive than these ones. So I don't really want to, risk. Actually, I've been doing some tests before before designing the PCB. When I was doing the experiments on the protoboard. I think I have the protoboard here. Just bear with me with this camera, the way it's moving. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the protoboard when I was, doing the experiments. And yeah, the first time I tried the robot, I tested it. I burnt a few of these ones, and they're quite expensive. So I decided, before doing the real test, the real experiment, that I would go with these ones. And when I'm sure that everything works, fine, or perfectly, I will then use these ones. So I'm just using an Arduino Nano. This is the old version of the Arduino Nano. I have it here. As you can see, this is an old version of Arduino Nano. Yeah, come on, okay. An old version of it. And I think the Arduino has released the new one, so you can still use, with this one. That one has a Bluetooth in it and the Wi-Fi. I think it's a more appropriate for modern, projects and whatever. Well, if you don't want to use an ESP, because my goal for the robot is to also implement Wi-Fi and Bluetooth controller. As you can see, I have on this one, I have the the ESP here, you know. So yes, and I wrote a very simple code. You won't be able to see it now, just to control the stepper motor, as you can see. So I'm going to upload it and then I will show you how everything works. Yeah, so I already connected the motor, the stepper motor, and I'm going to connect. Oh, sorry for this. I'm going to connect doing everything with one hand, which is quite difficult. Yeah. Come on, boy. Okay, now it's okay. All right, so, oh wow, it works. It works perfectly.